What if I told you that you could use the free version of Claude and turn your LinkedIn profile to an absolute recruiter magnet that gets them reaching out to you and potentially even sending you job offers? I've been in recruitment for 16 years, and guess what? You can, and it'll take less than 10 minutes. Let's go. Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Claude to make it so that your LinkedIn profile is like a beacon that has recruiters reaching out to you for some great jobs in your industry. It's going to help you get hired. Today, right now, if you're an applicant and you're reaching out and you're applying to jobs like historically people have, it is much harder to get hired. So one of the things you can actually do is make it so recruiters reach out to you, and Claude puts this on easy mode. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is I want you to copy your LinkedIn profile link on their website, your homepage, and then I want you to paste your profile page into Claude. And what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to give you 5 different prompts that you can use to radically upgrade your LinkedIn profile. So again, so that recruiters, hiring managers, HR people feel compelled to reach out to you with great opportunities. Now, the first one is the headline fix. You have already pasted your profile link into Claude, and you're gonna use the below prompt. And what this basically does is it's gonna help Claude look at what you do and write you a compelling headline. As a recruiter, when I'm looking for people in LinkedIn Recruiter, that tool we all pay for on LinkedIn so that we can reach out to you guys, when we search, what we see is your picture, we see your job title and company, and we see your headline. And a compelling headline does so much to help your profile get clicked on. Just having a great headline alone will increase the messages you get from recruiters trying to show you great opportunities that you might be interested in. Okay, so the next thing I want to cover is the About Me section. Here's the prompt. Now, this is why it's important. One of the things that recruiters do is they use Boolean logic to search for candidates, and the About Me section serves 2 main purposes. One, it's to tell people what you do in an intriguing fashion, right? Recruiters should look at that and they should go, wow, I gotta reach out to this person. But secondarily, from an SEO perspective, making it so you are searchable, having the right words in there is really important. And this is where Claude comes in, because doing both of those things can be really hard for an average person who isn't an expert writer, but Claude can do that. If you put this prompt into Claude, what they're going to do is they're going to make sure that those first 2 lines of your About Me section are incredibly compelling and you are easily searchable. And if you do that, it's going to be incredibly powerful. Okay, so the next thing is the experience booster. Here's the prompt. This is really important. When someone takes the time to look at your profile, right? Like they've seen the headline, they go, okay, I'm gonna click on this profile. They've read the About Me section, they go, okay, I think there's something here. The next thing they're gonna do is they're gonna look at your jobs, right? And they're gonna look at what is it you've done, what have your jobs been, and then what are the impact you've made in those jobs. And this is where most people fall short. But when you use this prompt, what they're going to do is they're gonna use the XYZ method. I did X by doing Y, and it made Z happen, right? It's basically quantifying your impact. It's going to make it so that your profile is so much more powerful. A recruiter who reads like the most recent job you're in, and you can quantify the impact you're making, and it is abundantly clear that you're someone who makes a big impact at an organization, you're almost guaranteeing they're gonna wanna reach out to you about the opportunities they have that you might be a good fit for. So doing this is incredibly powerful. Okay, so I talked about the SEO part of this. You know, how searchable is your profile? The next thing is you want Claude to do a keyword audit. And essentially what you're doing is you're asking Claude, okay, if a recruiter is looking for someone like me, how likely is it that they will find me? And it's gonna audit your profile. And the reality is that if you do all these things and you make your LinkedIn profile amazing, and you really like jazz it up to the point that anybody looking at it would be totally crazy to not want to reach out to you, it doesn't matter if they don't find you. So using Claude to identify your searchability and give you suggestions on how to improve it is an absolute game changer. Okay, so the next thing I want you to do, and this one's really powerful, do not skip it, is called the Recruiter Magnet Audit. And what you're basically gonna do is use this prompt to ask Claude, hey, is my profile a recruiter magnet? Would a recruiter look at this and be like, I gotta reach out to this candidate? And it seems like a funny thing to ask, but the results are huge. So you want to make sure that you're asking this, because this is a type of thing that's going to completely change how your profile might be worded. They're going to point out things, little things that you can change that will immediately make people like me want to reach out to you. Hey, by the way, if you're finding value in this video, do me a favor, hit that like button. It's free, it tells YouTube I don't suck, and it motivates me to make more videos like this. And if you're already willing to do that, subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you never miss one of my 3 free weekly videos, all designed to help you maximize your career. Now, have you ever had a hiring manager seem like they are super interested in you, and you had every indication that you were gonna get a job offer, and then all of a sudden they ghost you, and you're left wondering why in the world did that happen? Well, I've been in recruitment for 16 years, and I can tell you this is why. In this video, I explain exactly why that happens, so go watch that video so you're not wondering what is going on.